Hello, dear friends. Today we want to talk about a very special and important night, Laylat al-Qadr. This night occurs during the month of Ramadan and is highly valued by Muslims. Let's learn more about this night together. Laylat al-Qadr is the night when the Holy Quran was revealed. God says in the Quran, "Indeed, we sent it down during the night of decree." Surah Al-Qadr, Ayah 1. This shows how significant and blessed this night is. On this night, angels come to earth and convey our prayers and wishes to God. The Prophet of Islam, Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever stays up during Laylat al-Qadr with faith and hope for divine reward will have their past sins forgiven." So, it's a great opportunity to ask God for forgiveness and help us become better people. Now let's think about what we can do on Laylat al-Qadr. One of the best things is to pray. You can pray for your family, friends, and even those you don't know. Also, reading the Quran and reflecting on its meanings is very beneficial. In conclusion, let's remember that kindness and helping others are always important, not just on Laylat al-Qadr, but every day of the year. So let's strive to always be kind. I hope you enjoyed this story. Until next time, goodbye.